Don't be scared.
Okay, this is kind of cool, actually.
Yeah.
Other than the malfunctioning.
Alrighty, so I'm here to talk about Halloween Haunt 2023 with you guys, and I have some exciting news and news to break for you. I'm going to update you guys on the information that I know so far about Halloween Haunt for 2023. And please take all this with a grain of salt until Wonderland makes an announcement themselves, as things can change or get canceled. But I'm going to go over a few things and give you my speculation and predictions for what's going to happen with Haunt this year. But to start it off, I definitely think that Pandemonium is going to be discontinued. And I'm hearing rumblings that a Vikings-themed maze is going to make its way into that haunted house, if you want to call it that. For those of you that do know, I think Pandemonium was one of the worst haunted houses I've seen designed at Canada's Wonderland in ages. Like, it was so bad, so bad. So I'm really excited to see that they're going to upgrade it and give it a Vikings kind of theme, around a Vikings theme. So kind of fitting in, I guess, with that adventure, not travel, but that adventures kind of theme, Indiana Jones theme down in the mountain. Spirit Manor and Cornstalkers will be operating this Halloween Haunt. Again, construction shouldn't start until December on our 2025 project, so we don't have any reason for these mazes to not operate this season. So we'll keep you guys posted if we learn anything about these two mazes after this season. Farmstead will be changing to Mass Acres and become slightly more enclosed with still the two-directional flow that Farmstead had as well, but it'll be changing to Mass Acres. Trick or Treat will also be changing / getting a re-theme / revamp into slightly different. I think this was done just to take away from the theme of Trick or Treat. So we'll see what that transitions into. Vampire Disco is moving over to Coasters. Essentially, I think where that show took place last year, the Skeleton Crew, I think that's what it was. So yeah, Vampire Disco will be moving closer to the Coasters restaurant. Day of the Dead is staying in Medfair as well, and Red Alert is retiring, and it will become the Dark Ride Haunted House. So Dark Ride, the haunted house, will be at front gate in that tin building where Red Alert was. The crypt is, I believe, receiving an enhancement, or it is transitioning into a new maze. So we'll keep you posted there. That is all the information on Halloween Haunt that I have so far. But as you can tell, there is a lot of money being invested. I just burped in the middle of my update. But as you can see, Halloween Haunt is receiving a lot of money. And getting some lovely upgrades, so really love that for the entertainment department. So I'm really excited about this. I'm truthfully really excited for Halloween Haunt this year, and excited to see all these refreshed ideas. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this really quick video updating you on the future of Halloween Haunt for 2023. And this is just the beginning, so this is all the information I have right now, but we'll keep you guys posted. Have a good one. Bye.